Hi everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe for more of these unboxings or project build videos and test runs that are coming and that I've already posted. But back here with another unboxing of a big one. This is the ZD Racing Pirates 1/8 monster truck. This is how the package comes in. Delivered from China, purchased from Banggood, my own dollar, not sponsored. I've been having a rough experience with them lately, so excited to see if how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to get this thing cut open, be right back. Alright, just got this thing cut open. Let's take it apart. Here's the manual. It's the Pirates 3 MT8 monster truck 1/8 scale. Check out the size of the tires, guys. And to give you an idea, this is the size of the stock short course truck tire. And this is the monster truck tire. So, got 4 of these. Good part, the actual body. It is assembled, I guess mostly assembled, but without electronics. I'm gonna stick my own motor, ESC, and transmitter in there. This was the cheaper option, getting the chassis, and I had the internals to go with by itself. A difference that I do notice between this 1/8 chassis and the short course truck is that these center supports are plastic versus the metal or the alloy on the short course truck, and they do have slight differences in their chassis. If you guys do pay attention and look at the pictures and the descriptions. But I did go with this. This is kind of like a Pirates 2.5. You can see it's got the updated orange metal shock towers, shocks, yeah, components. So it's pretty beefy, pretty sturdy. I think it's pretty cool. It's got a good feel to it. The little bag comes with the motor mount plate, the electronics compartment, elevated, and little pinion gear. It's probably a 15 or 16 tooth. But that's pretty much all that comes in the box. What I do like is that they give you these little rings. They're almost like little washers to protect the body. And I'll probably use those on another one that I like or that I'm attached to, but that's pretty good. Nothing special about this body. I'll probably end up replacing it, but again, this is like a Pirates 2.5 with the updated orange metal chassis and the old Pirates 2 body, but I did pick this specifically. And I know these aren't as known to be as good as the JLB for bashing, but I do like these beefy tires that are pretty cool. So I might do some wheel and tire swaps and see what I end up with. But thanks for watching, and I'll get this put together and get another video out to you guys. But I will probably end up running this 4274 brushless in there, and of course probably with a 120 amp ESC. I do have a 150 on the way in case I burn any of the 120s out. And I'll probably get the pinion up to around a 20 if I can, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. Thanks for watching.